Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the obvious details that often cause failures. Make sure your account email and billing address exactly match the bank record, and confirm the card expiry and CVV. Once done, check your available balance and any holds. Insufficient funds will block completion. If those are correct, remove the existing payment method and re-add it, or add an alternate card to force a fresh authorization. This clears cached payment tokens and exposes authorization errors. Next, address store and device level causes. Update the store app so it can process modern payment flows, then sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. Reboot the device to clear transient errors. Clear the store app cache or data so stale state cannot block purchases. Make sure your store country matches your billing country, and verify family sharing or parental controls aren't blocking purchases. These settings often silently reject payments. These steps ensure the store can talk to your bank. Now retry the purchase using the newly added payment method and follow any on-screen 3D secure or bank authorization prompts. Complete the authorization to finalize payment. If it still fails, contact your bank to check for declined authorizations or temporary fraud blocks and ask them to unblock or whitelist the transaction. If problems persist, reinstall the store app and, as a last resort, contact App Store support with the transaction ID and timestamps so they can trace the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.